y'all. So we're on the cruise. It's 7:45. I've been up for about 2 hours. Vern woke up out of the nest. We're going to explore the ship.
Get some hot chocolate.
Get some hot chocolate and coffee, and go look for some secret areas. And we're gonna take the elevators because it actually worked this morning, and I ran like up and down like 9 flights of stairs already. So, catch you up on the Lido deck. Vern's losing her cool. The food's so good here. Breakfast burrito. A salsa bar. Get some over here. Oh yeah, doggy. Looking good. Not a bad view to suit either. Woo. Pretty nice view. There's like no one up here either. Yeah, I told you the balconies are tiny. Things are puny. Man, you go downstairs slowly.
I know, I go downstairs. You know I go downstairs. I always go.
Carnival inspiration. Not too shabby. So, we know we're in the crew area because there's a whole bunch of shit everywhere now. Come on, baby. You wanna go? Let's go look. Oh yeah, that's the captain's area. Abort! Abort! No one here.
Alright.
We saw like the engine room open. And she was all like, look how she's freaking out right now because someone's right there. Lido deck, baby, where all the food is born. This is the place where dreams are made right here. Lido deck, baby. Checking out like the crew area where they captain the ship. Pretty cool there. Got a walkway here. It's pretty What's up, guys? We're here in Ensenada, Mexico. We've got Carnival inspiration behind us. We're about to go travel the city. I look like a tree. Friend looks like she's going for yoga class. So it should be a good time. Let's get to it. Hey babe, what do you think about being the 4th person off the entire cruise ship?
That is pretty cool. You're almost the first and second.
We were 2 people away from being the 1st and 2nd people off the cruise. That's how nerdy we are. We must wake up early and be in line. Just walking along here. Beautiful stuff. Ship in the background. And the burn dog. We're at a fish market. Got a big tuna down there. All fresh caught. Pretty rad stuff. Me and Vern are eating some bomb tacos. How do you like them, babe? She's got a michelada. I've got a margarita. So we're here, chilling here. He mixed that margarita mega strong. It's good. He was just pouring tequila over the top till I said stop. We're loading up.
All those condiments.
I mean, just delicious. Handmade flour tortillas. We watched them make them. And we got an ocean view to suit. I mean, hard to beat. Really hard to beat.